on, people? Welcome back to Royalescapes, and I'm Prince. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me again for another video. And for those who have been here since the beginning, thank you for sticking around for this journey. For those who are just joining, guys, there are links below to see the end of this journey. And you'll be hearing me talking about this journey and wondering, what am I talking about? I'm talking about my room flip project. Yes, guys, it's finally done, and I'm so excited. I really want to share it with you. It's been a journey of over 5 months of projects on top of projects, learning, growing. It has been a struggle sometimes, very frustrating, but I work through it step by step, slowly learning and adjusting myself to this, because I've never done any of this before. So this is a new path, and I walked it well, and I continue walking with this and other projects. And I just want to thank you for sticking around with me. And guys, I don't want to talk anymore. Let's just get into this reveal. I'm going to show you all of what I did, all of the creations I made. And yeah, you see this tree behind me? You're going to see what it is. So let's get into this reveal. Alright guys, so as soon as you walk into the room, you see this section here. The first thing your eye gets to is this, my little gold corner. Yeah, I call it the gold corner because everything just seems to have a gold touch to it. That Midas touch, you know? I got it. From the nightstand, floating desk, the wall accent, even that picture up there has a gold frame. And not to mention my golden shelf brackets. Yeah, man, your boy went hard on this one. Yeah, so beautiful, I tell you. Absolutely loved it. The concept was in my head and everything just came together absolutely beautifully. I swear, I love it. You can see the link for this below. The nightstand link is below. Now, don't forget the floating shelf, and oh, remember, storage. Yeah, can't get enough of that in your room. And this accent, guys, I still can't believe that I did this design on the fly. It's absolutely insane, I tell you. Absolutely insane. I absolutely love it. Every day I sit here around my laptop making these videos for you guys to see. Sometimes I stop and I just look at them like, damn, you did well, boy, you did well. Yeah, man, nice, man. I have my shelves here. I have some books and some other items on them. I do a little reading every now and again. I read and I write, so yeah, we have to intertwine the two. And I added a little flower here. I got these as a gift. I'm sentimental, yeah, your boy is sentimental, so if you give me a gift, I'm gonna cherish it forever. Did a little DIY with a vase, put some spray paint on it and give it a little change in style. So yeah, that was beautiful right there. And let me show you this, guys. Anyone think I should take up back art again? Yeah, I did this drawing back in 2015, I believe. I don't even remember right now. It's been so long since I did this. And funny thing, it's from a popular HBO TV series. If you know which one it is, comment down below and let me see if you know TV series. I love that TV series. I watched a lot, and when I saw the cover art for it, I said I had to recreate it. I just couldn't get it out of my head, so I just went all in and did it. It's stunning, isn't it? Yeah, man. So if you want to see me take up back art and do some art projects on this channel, just comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you're feeling, man. Just talk to me, guys. Talk to me. You know? So this is my gold corner. Yeah. And here I have a little sitting area. Well, just a chair it was a part of a 3-piece set that was in my house. I confiscated this one and threw it in here to get some space to sit down. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or sand it and stain it over. I don't know. If you have any ideas, guys, just comment down below and let me know what you're feeling. Tell me your vibe, man. Tell me what's going on with it. It's a nice little comfortable chair, you know. And here we have another mural. This tree, absolutely stunning, I tell you. Did this back in 2016, I believe. Some of these things have been here so long I don't even remember, but I really went in on this one. I was seeing these for the first time in TVs and other art videos that I've been watching, and I said I had to do it. I just got up one day and this one was staring at me and said, I'm gonna put one here, and I did it. Yeah, that's just it. Just went in on it. And even this, my nephew did this around my light switch quite a few years back, and I just could not get rid of it. I love it, absolutely love it. Fizzy, big up yourself. He was the first one that motivated me. I saw him drawing and painting, and he's the first one to motivate me to say, listen, you can do art. If you really love it, do it. Just go all in, don't look back. And since then, I grew into this. He planted some seeds of wisdom, and this is what it blossomed into. Yes, guys. So if you want to see more art projects, just comment down below. I didn't do much to my dresser area here. I just changed the hardware. I couldn't get the hardware to replace this, so I just spray painted that bad boy right there, yeah. And I changed the rest of the hardware all around, yeah. And this again, Fizzy and I did this. He started it and I finished it, and I just couldn't change it. I didn't even change the wall color on the background. That's the original wall color right there. I didn't change it. I just love the way it looks. It looks like a picture in a frame right there on my dresser. So I just never changed it. Yeah. So we swing right around here to my floating shelf. Yeah, this one is to remember. I tell you guys, it was a very tedious process. It was the first project I ever started to do. I elaborate on that a lot in the video. The link will be down below again, guys, if you want to go back and watch that one. It was it killed me. And to be honest, it turned out to be one of my favorite pieces in this room. I swear, it's every day I sit down, I'm watching TV, TV's right above it, and I'm watching TV and I'm looking at it more than I'm watching the TV, and I'm saying, this is just, yeah, it's spot on. I swear, it hits all the right notes. I love the two-tier design, and not to mention the two-tone design where I get the white and I'm getting the wood grain. Stunning. I love it. I really love it. The wood grain, I love seeing this wood grain and the white against it. Yeah, really does it for me. And your boy had to incorporate some real plants in his room, as you know I love these plants. I love plants in general, so I just incorporated a real plant. Yeah, fake one's over there beside the bed, and this one's on the shelf. Yeah, it's beautiful. And here's another art project that my nephew did. Again, Fianzo, can't big you up enough. This, he did the other one on the other light switch. He did this one as well. Yeah, bro, really spot on, and his work has just gotten even better over time. He does it as a hobby, and I do it as a hobby as well, but we both love doing these things, and his work is impeccable, you know, something to aspire to. And last but not least, the last thing I want to show you is this. This, guys, is the first piece of art that I ever did. Fianzo walked me through this step by step, and his words that stuck with me to this day is that when you start, it's gonna look like crap, but just don't stop. Do not stop. It may take you a day, it may take you a week, it may take you months, but do not stop. Yeah, I didn't stop, and that's what I got. I referenced an image And I was like, no, brother, me can't draw this. The man said, come, you are going to draw it. And there it is. There it is. I framed it and put it on my wall to remember that you can do anything you put your mind to. And when you start it, don't just give up halfway through, quarter way through, three-quarter way through. Do not give up. When you start, don't stop. Alright, guys. It's something that I've lived by since that day, since I heard those words. And when I finally completed this, I live by this. Trust me, when you start, don't give up. Do not ever give up. So that said, guys, I never gave up on my room, and this is what it looks like now. Do not give up. So until next time, guys. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that little reveal that I did. It was short, but it was a big one for me because I get to see all of the hard work, the sweat that I put into creating this room. Well, recreating it at least. It was a mess. And I just said, listen, it's time to revamp, it's time to renovate. And I did it, guys. I did it all by myself. I feel so proud of all the work I put in. And I just hope that this encourages you to go out and do whatever it is that you want to do. You know, I started this page to encourage people, motivate them. You know, do the things that you love to do. I love to do these things. It's not just the DIYs. As you can see, I'm into art as well. I sit and draw. I haven't done it in a while, but I don't know if you want to see me do some, or maybe I just feel like doing some. I'll start doing it again, you know. But you can share your views. I'd love to hear what you think of my art skills and whether I should keep it up or should I just give it up, you know. But I may just not give it up, you know. I'll do what I want to do when I want to do it. I haven't done it in quite a few years. I may just take it up back. But guys, do whatever it is that you want to do. If you love to write, if you love to do acting, if you love to cook, whatever it is, just do it. Just do it, guys. Go out there and do it. Nothing defines your success but you. You are the limit. You set your limits, and whatever you set it at, that's where you stop. If you set it for the sky, you will stop at the sky. If you set it for the stars, you go to the stars. Just do it, guys. Nike said it best, but I say nothing defines your success but you. So I'll see you next time for another project. I have quite a few lined up for you guys. Trust me, it's gonna be epic again. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. Turn the button gray. You see me? Yeah, man. Click it and turn the button gray. Guys, share it, comment, whatever you want to do. Thank you so much again for sticking with me through this journey. I hope you stick around for more, because I have a lot more. So until next time, bye.